Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide last seen online on Facebook. So I've already got Facebook open here and I'm on the main screen. What I'm going to do first is head up to the top area where all the icons are and I click on the messenger icon. This opens up the chat section where you can see your messages and who's currently active. Once that panel opens, I look toward the top corner of the messenger window and I find the three dot icon. I go ahead and click on that and it brings up a small menu with a few settings options related to messaging and activity status. From that menu I click on active status. This is the setting that controls whether people can see when you're online or when you were last active. Once I click on it, a new option appears where I can turn this feature on or off. At this point I simply click to turn it off. As soon as I toggle it off, it means my active status will no longer be visible to others, so people won't be able to see when I'm online or when I was last active on Facebook Messenger. After turning it off, I go ahead and click save to apply the change. Once that's done, the setting is updated immediately and my last seen status is now hidden. Now I can close the menu and continue using Facebook as usual, but with my activity status turned off. This means I can browse, chat and use Messenger without showing my online presence. And that's really all there is to it. It's a quick setting change, but it gives you more privacy while using Facebook and Messenger. Once it's turned off, it stays that way until you decide to turn it back on again.